Hi, I'm Buster with A&B Wood Products. Today we got a big chunk of maple. This thing's a pretty good sized hunk. This way we're well over 50 inches. Over 65 inches across. Almost 8 foot long. So we'll get some pretty big slabs out of it. Let's fire up the saw and see what we can get.
Remember, guys, if you guys are interested in any of this fine wood we got, give us a call back or call at 208-447-9691 and we could definitely hook you up with some wood. We've got tons. take some off? I guess we're gonna take a couple of these off before we continue, because we hit something in the log. So we're gonna try to remove these two pieces and see what we hit. Has that bogging down like that usually tells us we hit a fence post or a nail or something. Yeah, usually bogging it down like that usually tells us we've hit something, whether it's a fence post or, you know, what was it that we cut? A bullet, fence post. What was that other thing, that electrical thing?
Ceramic insulator.
Oh, a ceramic insulator. So only God knows what's in some of these logs. So we're going to at least remove these top two and just, well, you guys can see the wood and we can see what it cut through.
Yeah. If I can remove them.
Well, I was thinking to remove them too would help get some of the weight off there for the saw. Right?
Yeah, we're not down to pinching the blade yet, so.
We actually hit something.
Yeah, something bogged it. That wasn't normal.
That's gonna be pretty wood.
Yeah, these first ones I went 4 inches thick because I figured it wasn't really big enough for a table, but it'll be big enough to slice the other way for turning blanks. So.
Well, why don't you leave that one over there for now, and that way we can have a good enough stack.
Well, I wanted to get it over there.
Well, okay.
Because reaching it with the hose, I gotta hook the hose up too.
Yeah, well, you don't put it in front of my chair.
Oh, are you sitting on the bunk?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
There's gonna be some pretty wood, though. Hopefully we got somebody gonna take quite a bit of the wood and sell it at his shop, and that will free us up. Oh my goodness. Sorry guys. That'll free us up so that we got more space to put some of this wood. Because we're getting pretty limited on space around here, if you can't see that. So that should help our friend out and definitely will help us out. So we can cut some more of this pretty wood that we got.
Yeah.
We got this. This is a silver maple, right?
Yeah, I'm certain it's silver maple. It's maple.
And then we got another one down the street that's definitely a silver maple. And that one's what, about?
A little bit bigger than this.
About a foot bigger than this?
Probably.
A good foot?
Not more.
It's going to be some really pretty wood, though. Hey, guys, stop getting on my chair.
Well, the hose is leaking.
It's going to be pretty. It's going to be wild looking. Huh.
Hopefully all that.
Will this darken up a little bit?
Probably not. It'll probably stay about that tone.
Well, that'll be cool. Wow. Like I said, guys, this is definitely for sale, so you guys want a humongous piece of wood for any projects, give us a call, because we're definitely going to have wood. That is really pretty stuff, actually.
Yeah, let's see if I can even move this next piece.
Mm-hmm. Did you ask Glenn to come help you? You need to push it off this way.
Yeah. Right there is where
It bogged down.
right down at. I don't know. Don't see anything right off yet.
Oh, there's water in the top of that.
Yeah, there's a little dip in it. Man.
Was that you making that weird noise?
No, that was it sliding.
Oh. Do you want to go see if Glenn will help you? Because you're going to make him smaller after this, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I just wanted to go until we're actually making slabs.
Well, don't like just throw that off that way because you don't want to hit these rails. Just saying.
I'm trying to get it around. Come down off again.
Ooh, well, that's one way of doing it.
It's off.
Yes. Well, let me put you guys down just for a second and let me see if I can help him. We got it. It's gonna be pretty. There's really some pretty stuff. I like the white around the edges.
Curl.
Yeah. It's really gonna be gorgeous once it's all sanded and stuff. Well, this might be my first epoxy pour table.
Yeah, it took a little bit to dry this though.
Yeah. Probably not going to be able to be used till next year about this time. Unless somebody's got a kiln. Right?
Yeah.
We're not sure exactly what bogged this down, so I'm going to spray out the other side to see if we see anything, but
I'm not seeing what pinched the blade.
oh,
I don't know.
we'll spray that the other side down and see if you can see it.
I'm not seeing anything there. Something definitely pinched down on the blade. Something happened. Unless there was just too much stuff in the bark over here and drug it through.
I don't know. That's weird. That's very weird. I don't know, baby. It bogged it down pretty dang good.
Yeah, maybe it was just the bark.
Maybe. I'm not seeing nothing, but that's some really pretty stuff, guys. Well, we might just have to do smaller pieces and take off as we go. Keep it as light as we can.
Oh, it wasn't the wood dropping down on the blade. It's weird. Normally when it does that, it's because we hit something, but I do not see anything that we hit.
Is that a new blade?
Yeah. Oh, it still feels like it's still sharp.
Huh. Strange. It's going to be a little soft in some spots, so we'll have to see about all this.
Don't know what we run into. Guess we'll fire back up and not cut no slabs off.
But that's going to be all this. This all feels pretty solid, but don't know. I guess we're going to load it back up. I'm sure it's some pretty stuff. Start it back up and try it again. Well, we got gas. I can see the gas. He always tries to put it down as far as he can. That way, if it breaks down, he can get to this stuff, because if it breaks down with it up in the air, he's got to get a ladder to try and work on everything. So tries to get it to come down as much as he can, but fortunately we got a whole bunch of stuff in the way. But this other stuff really, I mean, the limbs, I think it's part of this tree, the limbs off of it.
Yeah, it's one of the limbs here.
Yeah, it's showing really nice color, so we're going to try and get some cookies out of these, so we'll see. We're going to go ahead and knock these two off here and show you what these look like, and then he's going to continue to cut, and I'm not going to tape everything because this is going to be a really long process. I will periodically come out and tape a little bit, but for the most part, he's going to just cut this one, because it being a pretty fresh cut, it's real wet and big, so we're having to go extra slow. So yeah, if I taped this whole thing, it would be what, a 4-hour show.
Yeah. I think what's going on is the cut width.
Yeah,
I think we're just filling the gullet completely up on the blade, and
yeah,
it's getting full of sawdust and it can't clear itself, so we're just wedging it in.
huh.
I think that's what's going on.
Is there a way to fix that? No. Just gonna have to deal with
Just have
it.
to go a little slower so it clears all the sawdust off the teeth.
Well, it's gonna be pretty wood, actually. It'll be very pretty wood, huh?
I think it's just because it's wet and sticky, it's just sticking in there.
I don't know why they cut this down. Or gorgeous wood so far.
Yeah, well, I would imagine that place was the original farmhouse.
Probably gonna build something else.
To build something new there, because this tree is obviously 80 years old or something.
We figured about 80 to 100 years old.
Yeah.
We couldn't really count the rings because, yeah, it was the way they chainsawed it down. You can't count them, so that's kind of what we're guessing. Oh, wow. That's going to have really nice color to that wood. A little lighter that way?
Yeah, a lot thinner.
So how thick are you making these?
These are 2 inches, 8.25.
2 inches, he said.
Yeah, first ones were 4.
What size do you guys, if anybody knows what is more sought after, do you think is it 2 inches, 3 inches, or 4 inches? And guys, please keep your mind down the gutter on this one. we just need to know what is more usable to people that's making furniture or whatever you guys are making out of it. If you guys have any ideas, let us know.
Normally it's 2.5 and 3. That way you can surface it down to a 2-inch table.
Well, shouldn't you do 2.5 then? On these?
Yeah.
So why aren't you doing 2.5 on these?
So I decided to do a couple of 2-inch slabs.
Oh, and then you're gonna do 2.5?
Yeah, I'll probably go 2.5. Might go to 3-inch. See how I feel. I don't know that once they get a little wider here, I don't think I can move it 3 inches.
It's really pretty wood though. Well, after you cut them, we'll have to see if Glenn will come out and help you move them.
Falls over sideways.
Well, that is some really pretty wood. Holy cow.
I think with it just being wet and sticky, it's just filling up the blade.
Maybe because they just took this down, didn't they?
November.
So
a month ago.
So pretty much all the water's still in it.
Yeah, it got cut down 1 month ago.
Boy, this would make a nice tables. Holy cow. Nice any kind of furniture, really. That is some gorgeous wood.
Doesn't want to scoot over.
There you go. You did good there. You did good on that one. Looks like a little bit of holes.
Yeah, it's got some rot here where there was an injury on the tree.
Yeah.
So, a little bit funky in here.
Oh boy, the rest of that wood is just really cool.
So getting a little bit there on the side.
Wow, that is just amazing. Isn't that pretty? Ah, there's stuff everywhere.
A lot of compression, a lot of curl in it.
Wow. It's going to be very gorgeous wood to play with. Well, we might have to do one of these as our first epoxy pour table. I know you guys wanted to see us try, so we might give it a whirl. We went and got some epoxy, so we'll see.
Look at the curl up that side.
Yeah, it's going to be something else. It's going to be pretty wood, that's for sure. Alright, guys. Well, you want to show them the top of this real quick? And then I'll leave you alone so you can cut for a while. Well, all of it's just going to be really pretty. I don't think it matters which piece you try to get. Oh, I'm going to get up on here. That way I can show them. Maybe. Hold on, maybe I'll kill myself. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm going to kill myself. Let's not do that and say I did. Because that's not a good idea.
Well, there went a worm.
Did you wash your worm away?
Yeah, there goes another worm.
Oh, leave the worms alone.
They're eating the wood.
That is gorgeous. That's going to be some different looking wood. I like the white around the edges of it. I think that's really cool. Well, alright guys, well, we'll be back in a little while. Bye. Okay guys, so we're going to show you these. We're going to take them off of this with our new forklift that I was telling you guys about. And so, did I tell them about this one? We started this video? I don't think so, huh?
No.
Okay, so sorry guys.
We started cutting this before we got the...
So the video that's going to be posted before this is going to show you about our new forklift that we got. I got my husband. So because of this log being so big, we learned one lesson, not to saw so many, because this thing got real heavy and jammed up our saw. And so we kind of made a mess of some of the wood. So we're going to remove it and see how much damage we did. And
That didn't hurt much.
in the process, we'll wet it down and show you slab for slab what they look like. But we're not going to show you this whole process because we're still kind of just learning this forklift. And yeah, it would be a 10-hour movie. So give us a minute. We'll be back and we'll show you each slab as we unload it. Okay, guys, here's the first one. And then we're gonna, after this one, we're going to do a little rotating of stuff. We're gonna get rid of this thing over here. And then we're gonna get rid of the gantry crane. We'll go over here so that I can cruise up and down in the forklift. Yes. It's got some pretty color and stuff in it. Yeah. It is actually gonna be nice wood. Worms coming in and out.
Yeah.
Besides that little area, though.
Yeah, it's just where that wound was at on the side of the tree.
Yeah, I didn't see much else, but this is going to be pretty wood once it's all done.
And it's colored, but it's solid. It's not.
That's what I'm saying. Besides that little area.
Over here, it gets a little bit punky in the spot.
But other than that, even if you just wanted to cut this piece right here off, that makes a nice freaking table.
Well, if you're cutting it off to square it up, it'd take most. You want to come over here?
Okay, guys, here's log number 5, 6.
You mean slab?
Slab, yes, 5 or 6. And you said what kind of wood is this? Silver maple?
Yeah. Well, it's a maple. I'm pretty sure it's silver maple.
That's gonna be pretty though.
Yeah, look at the compression.
I know.
Got a bunch of curl down the side. It was a big tree, a lot of weight.
Yeah, it's gonna be really pretty.
And so it shows it in the curl on the outside of the tree. The tree got bigger and it got more weight that it was supporting.
Yep.
Got some green up through here.
I know, that's what I was looking at. It's gonna be a really pretty log. Okay, guys, we'll be right back. Okay, log number 7 or 8. We don't know. I mean, slab number 7 or 8. We don't know. These are really big. I'm glad I got this forklift for Buster because, man, these are. How much do you think each one of these weigh?
I don't know. A lot.
I mean, I can't even barely budge a piece of this, and I couldn't even imagine him trying to do what he does with all these other ones, so I'm glad I got this for him. He can stop breaking his back. Ooh, look at that pretty color in that. Huh. This is really going to be some really interesting wood. Look at all that.
Yeah.
That is gorgeous.
Starting to get a bullseye at the top there.
And the deeper we go, the less this is going to be, because it seems like this is just isolated just to this one little area.
Yeah, it's just where the wound was at in the tree.
So hopefully the bottom of this is just going to be a solid mass.
Huh. Got a little bit of burl.
What?
Burl eyes.
Huh. Okay, guys. We're going to do the next one. 8 or 9 now, guys. This one's 8 or 9.
Oh, I got 3 over there. 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, this is 7 now.
7th actual slab.
7 actual slabs.
Yeah, the first couple cuts just gave the little partial pieces, didn't make a slab. There's the bug house.
Huh. Gosh,
We are starting to get
this is really going to be pretty.
a few little sporadic burls in there.
This is really going to be pretty stuff. Holy cow. Okay, guys, I'll be back. All right, so this would be log 8, or slab 8. Gonna have a very unique shape to it too.
Getting a bunch of compression there.
Yeah, it is. All right, that's something else. And we're getting down to a little bit left on that. And the wormies.
Little bark inclusion.
What is that red thing?
What, right here?
Uh-huh.
That's bark inclusion.
Huh. Neat looking.
Yeah. Come on. See how the bark is red?
Yeah.
Round? That's just some of the bark right there.
Oh, that's cool. That's neat.
Pop into the cambium layer.
That's neat. Huh. That's cool stuff, though. Really cool stuff. Okay. I'll be back. This one is slab number 9. Oh, look at that bark inclusion. That's going to look pretty.
Yeah, it's pretty much split, though, all the way down.
Yeah, but it's still going to be pretty. And we didn't help it either.
No, this was a couple up from where we were wedging.
No, look. We kind of bent it right there.
Yeah, well, it was pretty much...
See, because we had to use the forklift to lift this so that we could get the weight off the saw blade to get the saw off of it. Yeah, kind of tweaked this, probably the top ones a little bit, but nothing that cannot be fixed. But boy, that purple is pretty, isn't it?
Yeah, but it won't stay because it's just the bark.
Yeah, it's still pretty though.
Look at that compression over there.
Yeah, I know.
Getting a bunch of curl from the compression.
That is pretty. That's really pretty, actually. Alright, guys. We'll be back for number 10. Okay, guys. Here's slab number 10. And this is the one that got the brunt of the shit and story. That didn't make sense, but okay. It's the one we damaged the most trying to get the saw unstuck. Probably not something we'll do again, right, baby?
A little bit wet, a little bit of snap, a bunch of weight.
I think once
the blade has come out the end and grabbed it.
Yeah, I think once we get this quite this big, guys, because these are big slabs. Once we get this big, I think, you know, maybe doing 2-3 slabs and then flipping them is probably in our best interest.
Yeah. Well, he needs to go 4, but trying to go 6 was too many.
Yeah, and
or 7. Actually, I guess it was the 7th one that got us in trouble.
And we really don't want to put all that wear and tear on our saw because there's a lot of money on the line right there. Ooh, that's kind of turning out kind of cool.
Yeah, we got the big old bark inclusion going.
Yeah. Wow.
Got the bullseye from Brant's. Got some more of that green spalting in this thing again.
Yeah.
And more worms.
Yep. Well, I think this is going to be the end of the worms, isn't it?
No.
Oh.
No, there's a little bit more.
Wow.
We're almost down through that wound, so it'll start getting less.
Okay, guys, so we got one more, and then we're going to go stack these, and then maybe we will show you some more cutting, so we'll be right back. Okay, guys. All right, this is number 11. Wow, this was a big tree. Looks like, yeah. I was hoping that it would go by. I mean, that they would not have ate that far through.
Yeah, I didn't think they would have went up that far either.
Oh, it's pretty. That is pretty.
Pretty wild looking.
Wow. So guys, we're probably going to make this a 2-parter. So we'll probably post this one. And then next week we'll tackle this one because this is a big job. This is not a little job. So so we'll do Big Silver Maple Part 1. And then we'll come back and do Big Silver Maple Part 2. And we'll see if that worm... Yeah, actually it looks like it gets really solid down there. So I bet you that the worms will go away. Because it down there really looks like
might
it's
do silver maple cookies
solid.
first.
Yeah, we might do some cookies too, so.
I'll just set them right on top of this.
Yeah.
Slice them up into cookies, get them out of our way.
Yeah, we could do the cookies and then we'll finish this off in the part 2.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, that really does sound a lot better of an idea. So.
Meantime, we're going to take this and put it on the pile over there. Get it out of the way. Hopefully this will go away. If you'll come pick it up.
Yes.
Anyway, if you're in southwest Idaho and have a big log, we can cut it up for you. Yeah, well, there's all of 65 inches wide, probably closer to 70. Don't have tape measure out here.
Mm-hmm.
It's a big piece of wood.
Yes, it is.
Now, just one bark inclusion piece makes a coffee table.
I know.
Uh,
That's really pretty.
Well, hopefully next time we'll have stuff cleaned up a little bit better and make some cookies out of them guys to get them out of our way and get the rest of this cut up. Thank you for watching.
And if you guys like any of these, remember, you guys can buy it. Just call us at 208-447-9691. And again, guys, like, share, and subscribe. We need a bunch more subscribers to hit that 1,000 mark. Once we do that, I know I say this every time, we're going to put whoever has subscribed and commented in a bucket at that 1,000 mark, and we're going to give at least a $500 gift card and a few other things.
Yeah, and there's been a couple of people that we've chosen for prizes, but they haven't commented back or wrote back to us. So look at the previous comments on videos. Look at your notices. See if you got a notice. You know, check them comments and get back to us so we can get stuff to you.
Yeah, because you guys, when we give things away, we really want to make sure that these people are getting them. It's our way of giving back to you guys. So we appreciate you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.